Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. If this is your first time of meeting me, my name remains Oyemwemado Kainebi, and I'm from Akumazi Umuocha, and Akumazi Umuocha is located in the Canon East local government area of Delta State. Today, I'm here to remind you, in case you don't know, when we are talking about the unity of Igbo, you should put this into consideration. If you are among those who are arguing or who are yet to believe that Naipo Ndi Igbo, I want you to look at this. Every community you see in a Kaland, all the community, the names of the community you found in Anioma, in Anioma, all the communities you found in Anioma, their names, when you cross the bridge, Anambra Imo, you get to Anambra Imo, Enugu, Abia, you begin to see repetition of those community names. Now, when you begin to look at our values, our traditional values, those things that our ancestors actually left for us, you begin to see huge similarity, you begin to see things that shows that we are actually one. I don't know why most of you are finding it difficult to comprehend or to absorb what is truth. Is it because we have lived with these lies for so many years that no one has been able to question it? But this era, it has been our own concern that we are asking this question. How can I be from Akumazi Umuocha, yet I'm a descendant from Benin Kingdom? There is no community name in a Kalan that you will see in Edo State as a community name. And yet you are telling us that we originated from them. How true is this? I am calling for the unity of Ndi Igbo. I am not here to speak or talk about the Benin. But the reason why you see me making reference to that word Benin is because a lot of argument has been coming up on the social media, which most of them are yet to give answer to my question. We know that communities are found by a human, and it is either the community will be bearing the name of the first person that lived there, or issues or circumstances surrounding their living within that community. Yet, I am from Benin, yet my community name speaks louder than what. No, check it. My community name is Aku Mazi Umu Ocha. I've asked several people, they should tell me when did my community change the original name of that community to Akumazi Umocha. But if truly my ancestors who found that community give it that name Akumazi Umocha, he has actually answered my question. He has actually said to me what I want to know about my identity. It doesn't matter which way you want to twist it. That is your own concern. That is just the truth. Anyway, I just want to let you know that I'm not used to Twitter, but I will try learn it so that every of my posts and my activities will be coming up on the Twitter. So for now, enjoy this. I remain my humble self until I come your way again. Peace.
Thank you, Ikwerre TV. I see your hand. According to him, he said, things we should not neglect. Igbos are one big family with one language and many dialects. One language, many dialects. Please try and follow Ikwerre TV. Follow him in massive numbers. The credits to this video is to him. Actually, the guy you are seeing is from Delta State. Yeah, based on the divide and rule map. He is from Eka, part of Delta State. And I want to now still talk about what he's just said in this video. Let me still ponder on it a bit. And by the way, his name is Onyenwemado Kainebi from Akumazi Umuocha. Ako, wealth, property of Mazi Umuocha. What does that tell you? That quickly tells you where he's from. Irrespective of the divide and rule map, at least you know where he's from. So I am going to share a material he already shared. He said, most of you who claim that Eka is a descendant of Benin, Tell me or us the reason. No Ika community name has a replica in Benin. No Ika community name has a replica in Benin. So what is happening? There's some ancient community names in Anioma land you can find outside Anioma. And if you find them outside Anioma, where? In where they call Southeast in their divide and rule map. You understand? In their divide and rule map. Now, for example, here are some community names in Anioma that you can find outside Anioma. And when you find them outside Anioma, you don't find them in any other place but in Igbo land. Now, Abo, Oduga, Owere Ulubo, in Akumazi, Ute, Enugu, Mbiri, Achala, in Itolokpo, Owa, Uburu, Abo, Igbo Ukwu, Onisha, Ahaba, Igbo Uzo, Ogwachi, Ika, Ngibi, in Ibanke, Idemili, etc. Now, when you visit Enugu State, Abia State, Imo State, Ebonyi State, Anambra State, you see the names repeating itself. Why? Haven't you paused for some while and like, why is this happening? Why are we seeing replica of names in Anioma, in the place they call Southeast, in their divide and rule map? Now, like Abia, Ahaba, Umunneukwu, Abo, Ndi Abo, Umuika, etc. Now in Enugu, Onisha, Abo, Amokwe, Ibuzu, Owa, Ime, Ezio, Owa, etc. Now like Anambra, he said, Oduga, Umualosha, in Okuzu, Ibuku, Ozu Obolo, meaning another Obolo, Idemili, Onisha, Achaloka, etc. Like Imo now, he said, Owerri, Abombise. Hey! A coincidence? Olu, Umuocham, Mbidi, Mbidi. He said to mention but a few. According to him, he said, as we proceed, I will want you to show me or us the names of Ika community being replicated in Benin, where you claim to have come from. The language we speak, according to him, I am re-echoing what he has said or what he has written. He said the language we speak is same with Okwane, Aniocha, Nsoka, Udi, Omambara, Ndi Abo in Abia State. The difference is the lyrics, the pronunciation, dialects. That's what we call dialect. Most of you claim that our language today is as a result of we being influenced by migrants. So before then, what is our language? Hey! Otipo, go. Now he wrote, note, you can only define us by our language, tradition, our ways of worship in general, and our values. Go to your village and ask your people the name of the deity that your ancestors handed over to you guys. None of them has been in them. If you mention Olokum, it's actually from Okwane. Mind you, before the word Midwest, Bendel, Niger Delta, Southeast, South-South, Delta State, Midwest, whatever, blah, 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 we have been existing. Yes, those names are new names coined, political divide and rule names. So you cannot say you are of any of the above mentioned names. And he rounded up by saying, we will continue to discuss this until we get the right answers. The answers are there, but we continue to, try to slug it out with these people who disagree according to him. And he ended up by saying, my name is Onyenwe Mmadụ Kainebi from Ako. Maazị Umuocha, who answers Maazị? Let me leave it there. I'm coming back. I'm coming back with a blast. And a bye-bye. Please share widely. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to Igbo channel. Share this video widely. Follow us anywhere you see us. Support those who are in the Unified Igbo project. This is Azoka Oje, Igbo Area TV. Bye-bye for now.